In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Figma file ownership and edit rights in a Figma file. Whether you're a designer collaborating with a team, or simply need to tweak a design file for your personal project, having the right permissions in Figma is essential. Let's take a step-by-step journey through obtaining those editing privileges. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Figma. It's a great collaborative interface design tool that many of you might already be acquainted with. If you're not logged in yet, the next step will be to click on the login button. Make sure to enter your login credentials to access your Figma account. Once you've successfully logged in, you will find yourself on Figma's homepage, a well-organized space where you can manage your design files and projects. With the home interface in front of you, the next step is to navigate to the design section. This is where all your Figma files are typically stored. Once you are in this section, find the file you need to manage. If your files are numerous, you might use the search bar at the top to help locate it quickly. Once you've spotted your file, click on it to open. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the share button, a vital tool in managing access to your file. Go ahead and click on it. A dialog box will appear, which is essentially your gateway to adjusting the access settings of your file. Here you can decide who gets to view, and more importantly, who gets to edit. Look for the permission settings, which might initially be set to can view. This setting only allows others to see the file without making any changes. To gain editing capabilities, change this setting to can edit. This change empowers the selected users, possibly yourself, to actively modify the file's contents. Such permission updates are essential if you're collaborating and want to work seamlessly with others, or simply need full access to all functionalities for personal modifications. That's the core process for obtaining edit rights and ownership in a Figma file. Simple, right? A key tip to keep in mind is to always double check who you're granting access to and under what permissions. Regularly reassess the users with editing capabilities to maintain control over your file's integrity and security. So there you have it, a complete guide to managing your Figma file permissions effectively. This process helps ensure your projects in Figma are secure, while still allowing for the collaborative work that makes Figma such a powerful tool. Enjoy designing and collaborating with ease and confidence.